crew. Today's video will be seafood dressing. And here are the ingredients that we'll be using. We have the seafood dressing mix. We have crawfish, shrimp, green onions and celery, margarine, cream of chicken, cream of celery, chicken broth, pre-made cornbread, and the herb seasoned classic stuffing mix. If you're new to the channel, you've seen this, please subscribe to the channel. Click the bell, set post notifications to all, like and comment on the video. Let's get into the seafood dressing video. Alright crew, we're about to get started on this seafood dressing with my beautiful queen. She's gonna make it. It was requested by a loyal subscriber. She asked me to make it, but Queen said she would. So it's pretty much the same way I would make it too. So she's gonna go in with some butter. Tell everybody, hey Queen.
Hey y'all, how y'all doing?
Oh.
You gonna show them how much butter I'm using? Cause this is a half a stick, but this is the half of a stick. Or less than half of a stick. You don't need a lot. I say that, but you don't need a lot. You really don't. And it really does not have to melt all the way. Excuse me. I'm going to put my green onions and celery. And this butter is really soft. It's been out all day. I have my fire on. What's that, a medium? About medium?
Yep, it's medium heat.
And I'm just going to let this saute. I don't want it to cook all the way down. I need it to just pretty much like bring out the liquids, because this is going to go in the oven and finish cooking for about an hour. But I just need enough of the liquids to come up.
And that's your flavor, right?
Yeah, that's what he said, y'all.
I just add a little salt to it to help the process.
Well, the reason, I'm telling y'all the reason I don't want to add salt, because this dressing mix has a good bit of salt in it. Right. And the crawfish already has a good bit of salt. Right. Next, I'm going to add my shrimp. You can do this in any order. You can do it in any order. These shrimp are already peeled, cleaned,
and
deveined. And when I mean clean, washed really well.
And guys, it don't take long to cook shrimp, a couple minutes.
Right.
When they start turning pink, you know you're halfway there.
And then again, it's gonna cook for an hour in the oven. But you just want them, you know, you just don't want to put them in the oven from raw.
Right.
That's all. Excuse me, baby. I need a little on.
I'm your
okay then. I was say I need a little.
So she gonna go in with the crawfish tails. I got you, Queen.
And I do use the juice of it. And like I said, these already cooked, y'all know. So you just kind of dump everything in.
Alright, crew. So the Queen got her shrimp and crawfish and her vegetables sauteed. And right here, she has 3 teaspoons of crab oil and 1 teaspoon of gumbo filet.
Yes.
And what's your next step, love?
Well, first, before you say that, if you have Old Bay, use Old Bay. But we was out, so I'm using crab oil. I'm going to add both. The only salt that'll be added to this dish is the salt that's in that crab oil. Alright, next I'm adding the dressing mix.
So the name of it is Savoie's dressing mix. So yeah, there you go. It smells so good. Ooh. So you just pretty much gonna allow this to cook some to warm it up, right?
Yes, that's all I want to do is warm it up for about 5 minutes, and that's it.
Pre-made cornbread, guys. Here you go, Chef Queen.
Don't do that.
So it's only herbal season mix by Pepper Ridge Farm.
I'm sorry, y'all.
Baby just throwing breadcrumbs everywhere.
It's
And
no,
they say if you ain't making no mess,
right, you're not cooking.
you ain't doing your best.
It's all right.
Okay, y'all, so she's gonna take a mixture and pour it over here. Try not to fog up the camera, but trying to take out along the way. Cream of chicken. Cream of celery.
I'm gonna mix this first.
Alright, y'all, so she's gonna go in with some roasted turkey gravy. And I know y'all probably like, ooh, that's seafood dressing. But hey, you'll never know. It helps with the moisture and the creaminess content of the dressing. And then she's gonna go in with some chicken broth.
No salt added. I'm not doing a lot, but I know how to eyeball it, so I can't tell y'all. I'm sorry.
Alright, y'all, so it's ready to go in the oven. She's gonna put it in the oven at 350 degrees for 45 minutes to 1 hour. Alright, crew, so the seafood dressing is done, and we baked it at 350 degrees for 1 hour. Alright, crew, so this is our Sunday dinner. Here's the seafood dressing. And I made some cabbage, and Queen made some barbecue chicken. Please thumbs up the video and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. We'll catch y'all in the next video. Pops out. Peace.